In this video, I'll show you how to create a partner account on Booking.com. Alright, so first and foremost, of course, we need to go to Booking.com. And on the top right here, you'll see list your property. And now we can register to become a partner. So click on start registration. And here we need to put in our email address and hit continue. Then first name, last name, and your phone number, and hit next. Create a password for your partner account. Complete this captcha. And now we've technically created our partner account. Finished and done. From here, it's just simply answering a few questions about your property. For instance, pick one: apartment, homes, hotels. Which one is your property? Then click on list your property for that specific one. Keep in mind, from here on out, depending on your choice, things are going to vary. But yes, as I've said, it's just a case of answering their questions from here on out. And just keep in mind, everything you do from here out needs to be done on admin.booking.com, which is the website that all partners use. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.